Hello everyone. First, select a small pot to start melon seedlings. Fill the pot with organic compost. Now gently sprinkle the melon seeds into the soil. After 1 week, the seeds grow into small and beautiful melon plants. After 20 days, as you can see, the results are wonderful. Transfer the plant into a bigger pot so the roots can grow well. Now it's time to add fertilizer to help the plant produce fruits. Here I am using calcium powder fertilizer. To protect the plant, spray the vines to control pests. Finally, it's time to harvest these beautiful melons. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.